Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about email signatures, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an email signature for free in your Canva account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an email signature for free anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is quite important. And by having your email signature in a nice format, maybe presenting your logo, it just seems a lot more professional. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your free Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create an email signature that you can use in places like Gmail, what you want to do first off is click on the search bar here on the top and then just type in email signature. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see various templates that Canva has available for email signatures. But what you want to do is click on see all here on the right. It's in purple. All right, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the email signature templates that are available to you through Canva. Now, most of these are free. However, if they have a crown like this one, or they have a $sign, then there would be a cost associated with that. If you only want to see the free email signature templates, what you want to do is scroll to the top and click on all filters, and then you'll see this drop down on the left, and then just scroll down to the bottom, click on free, and then click on apply. Okay, so now it's loaded up all of the email signature templates that are free for you to use. So just scroll through and then just see which one kind of aligns with your brand. So let's see here. I kind of like this one right here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, the cool thing about Canva is once you click on one template, it shows you other ones that are kind of related. So sometimes you can find a better one if you scroll down a little bit. For me, this one actually looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on customize this template. All right, so the template loaded. And the cool thing about building your business card for free in Canva is it's kind of like setting up a Facebook page. It's pretty easy. It's just dragging and dropping. So as you see, I move my cursor over a certain area. It's going to turn purple around it. That means that we can go ahead and edit it. So there's quite a few things that we can edit here. So what you're going to do is, let's say, first off, my name's not Connor. So I'll go ahead and click into there, and then you can just highlight the letters and change them. So you can change the color, you can change the format. So let's go ahead and change the name first off. Make money, Anthony. Okay. And as you can see, I typed that in. It looks kind of weird because it went into the second line. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and highlight. So I'm triple clicking. And then here on the top, you can go ahead and change the size. So I decreased it. And then also each box, you can kind of move it around. Maybe I don't want it over this real estate agent, or maybe I want it a little closer. I can just drag it down, and then we'll click in here, YouTuber. Okay. And then we can change the number 310-555-5555. All right. The email, we can change that. Anthony at Make Money. Okay. And maybe there's something here we don't want. All you're going to do is just click on the box, and then we'll delete. And I'll delete that one too. And maybe I want to go ahead and put my website here. So maybe I'll just do youtube.com. And now you can see it's kind of far away. So we can just grab it and drag it right up here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that looks good. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and edit the picture, because this is not me. So basically the weird thing with Canva is you can't just right click on it and then swap out the picture for some reason. What you're going to need to do is just click on the picture. So you can see it's outlined in this purple box. And then here on the left, we're going to click on upload. Okay, so here are the pictures that I've already uploaded into my Canva. Now, if your picture is not here, you can easily just click here, upload files, and then upload a computer from your desktop. Once you do that, it's going to be saved here in your Canva, like I have these ones. And all you're going to do is just grab the picture that you want, like this one, and just drag it right over the existing picture. And as you can see, it just automatically places it in. So that looks pretty good. And the colors, we can go ahead and change that. So we click here, and then you see the color scheme right here. So it's kind of like this beige. So maybe we want to click on it, and we'll change it to money green. So that looks pretty good. And same thing with this one. So you can see it's white background. You can click right here and go ahead and change that maybe to a red. So that looks pretty ugly. So let me go ahead and just leave it white. Okay. Now, if you want other features in here, maybe you're going to do some branding or something like that, you can click over here on elements. Once you click on elements, there's a lot of different things you can just add right in. So you can add these graphics. So maybe I want a telephone. I can just grab the telephone and just drag it right over. So it looks kind of weird. It's too big. So we can go ahead and maybe shrink it down, and then we'll drag it up. And maybe I want to go ahead and rotate it. I can do that. So that's graphics. You can add stickers. So maybe you want a cocktail, or, this guy just relaxing. You just grab and drag everything on over, and then you can go ahead and shrink it down. So let's see here. We'll put him over here working on the computer right there. So that's kind of confusing for me. So I don't really like that. So what I'll do is I'll just maybe shrink him down and then put him off into the corner. So that looks better. Also, maybe if you don't like this to be a circle, you can go ahead and delete that, and then we'll delete that again. That's what's called a frame. So what we're going to do with frames is scroll up, until you see frames. And basically all this is a frame. So what we would do is choose a shape that we like. And usually when I'm doing an email signature, I like this kind of like little blob looking thing. Let's see here, right here, blob. And I'll just drag that right in and kind of center it. So that looks like it should work good. And then what I'll do is go back here to upload, and then I'll just drag the picture right in. So for me, that looks a little bit better. It gives it that kind of funky little shape. Okay, so you just got to keep playing around with it until you have it the way that you like it. And then once you're done, what you're going to do is click right up here on the top and then rename this. So I'll do Anthony email signature. Okay. And then now we're ready to go ahead and save it. So we'll go ahead and click on share. And then once you do that, you want to click on download. All right. Once you click on download, you want to make sure you change the file type. Right now, for some reason, it's a video, probably because this little character, but you can just click down and then you can choose the file type. So usually it's going to be a PNG or a JPG, but that's going to be up to you. So for me, I'm going to do a PNG. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and download it. Okay. So now I opened up my email signature, as you can see right here. So we can go ahead and upload this into our email provider. So maybe that's Yahoo or Gmail or something like that. So that way, when we send out emails, our email signature is going to show up and it can continue on with our branding. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up an email signature for free in your Canva free account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.